Another post-product comment in all node or adjustment node is clamp. For example, we have a mountain, okay, and we don't like the height of that. You can turn on auto level here, or as I said before, auto level quickly here, and you can automatically reshape its height. It's going to the maximum height of, I think, in a build. Yeah, it's going to the maximum of that. And its settings, as I said before, you can go to the previous lesson. We can access the strength of the height here directly, or if you want to control another way to its height, you can use clamp. And for example, if you bring a heel here, it's separate to this. This is our heel. And as you can see, we have a clamp also here. You can clamp its, as you can see, its height here. So we have a post-product comment here, also clamp. But we have more control if you use the clamp node here. Okay, this is our level, this is our mountain. As you can see, it's not nice height. You can auto level it and use the clamp node after auto level. It means we want to clamp it. In a clamp node, as you can see, we have minimum. As you can see, it's going up, and because it's in a clamp in the max, it's cut. You can drop it to floor also again if you want, but we don't need to minimum to the higher mode. Nice. And we can clamp it at a maximum. Nice. The operation is clamp, or you want to clip. It means it's clipping, in cutting the mountain. It's very interesting if you want to create a plateau things for example, your city or your environment like this. Or you can use extended like this. You can create an interesting mountain, extended. It extended all the heights. Okay, you can create an interesting effects with that. And going to the auto level, bring it down and back to the clamp. Well, you can see it. You can create such interesting things for gaming, for alien things, and that's it. This is all about the clamp. It's better to use a separate node instead of the clamp here, because just you can change the height, but here you have more control in operation.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.